Hi everyone, I'm Jason. Today's video, Ultrahuman sent me their latest AI smart ring. So in today's video, we're going to unbox it, set it up, and test it out. So Ultrahuman sent me their latest AI ring, and it's the AIR model. They also sent me a ring size kit. So this way you know exactly the size of the ring that you want to order. And once again, you don't have to put in your typical ring finger. You could choose any finger you want. And they also sent me this little cool chart. The ring is available in all 5 colors, which is pretty cool. Let's open this up and let's check it out. It comes very nicely packaged. Sleep, HRV, movements, and temperature tracking. And this is the Ultrahuman Ring AIR. Let's open it up. Nice foam. Look at that. Presents very nice. I did order the platinum one. Super light. Wow, really light. So there's your user manual. Get started. How to charge your ring. Stickers. Some more stickers. Get wired. USB-C to USB-C. And that looks like the charger. You got the USB-C right there. Got some rubber here at the bottom. So just drop the ring right inside and then it'll charge. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put this ring charging, make sure we got a full charge. I'm gonna download the app and I'll see you guys in a bit. So while the ring's charging, let's head over to the App Store. This is the app that we need. So let's download it. It's downloaded. Now let's open it up. We gotta set up an account. Let me set up my account. Here's some instructions on how to charge the ring. Okay, the ring is fully charged. And look over here, it picked it up right away. So over here at the bottom, start my journey. Bluetooth pairing request. Let's click on pair. Next step, tell us your body weight. So this is where it's going to ask you some personal questions. I'm just going to fill this out real quick. All done. Welcome to Ultrahuman. Continue. Water resistant, up to 330 feet. That's incredible. Continue. So it tracks your sleep as well. Listen to your body clock. Here's some more activities for you. And there you go. Obviously, I got nothing saved here right now because I just set it up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use it for a couple of days and then I'll show you my results. So I've used the ring for a couple of days and so far this is the results I got. So it is recommended to use it up to 2 weeks or more to get a more accurate result. But this is what I got so far. So over here, sleep. If you click on it, I don't sleep that long. I only get a few hours of sleep. But here's your results. So far it's not too bad. And it is comfortable to wear. One more thing that I didn't mention before, there's no subscription. This is all free. I did not have to sign up for any type of payment, which is very rare when it comes to this type of technology. I know any other smart ring out there is a subscription. This one here, it's free. So it's not bad. Right over here at the very beginning, here's all your main things. Movement, how many calories you burn, total steps. Like I'm actually curious to see after I reach my 2 weeks, what kind of results I get. If you guys are looking for one of these smart rings with no subscription, I do recommend try this out. Very easy to use, very easy to set up. Once again, put the ring on and that's it. If you leave it on full mode, you probably do have to charge it once a day. On light mode, it lasts up to 3 days. So over here we got PowerPlug Store. Over here you could download a couple more. They're pretty much like apps. Some of them are free, as you can see, free, like the Tesla one. There is a monthly fee on that one, but majority of these, as you can see, they're all free. Tap on it, download it, and it automatically gets uploaded right to the main page. So as you can see, majority of these are all free. And over here, coming soon, there's 2 right there. So once in a while, I would pop into this section just to check out, see if there's anything new. But anyhow, that's all I have for you guys today. If you guys are looking for a smart ring like this one with no subscription fees, no monthly fees, then this is the ring that will be right for you. If you guys are interested in this, I will have a link in the description with a discount code. If you guys have any questions, please give me a comment below. If you like this video, give me those thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.